Alright, so now I'm prepping the tail lights to get them ready. Taking the tape off and taped up these so we can paint them black because they got overspray from when the car got painted. And yeah, just kind of lightly picking at it, pulling at the tape, and paint these tomorrow, and then we'll get them glued together and get them on the car. And these are factory, I don't know if you guys can see it there, factory Ford NOS lenses that I found a few years ago. They were never painted, so this is the first paint that's ever been on them. It's not like the most perfect piece. It's got some scratches like that one, but it's not as bad as the LMR lenses. Joe's going crazy on my cat. That's my cat. Better zoom out a little bit. That's my cat Nova in there. And that's who he's barking at. Right, Joe? Alright, so just wanted to make a quick little video of this, you know, before I got the rest of the tape off and got these painted up and everything, so you guys could kind of see what we went through just to do the tail lights and how they looked. I guess I could show you the back of them. I bought a set of lenses from LMR, and they were like, they had cracks all in the lenses. They were like super thin and flimsy and just tweaked all over. They weren't straight. They weren't quality at all. And I found these, like I said, a few years ago, and they were NOS, never been used, were never painted, so picked those up. I can't remember what I paid for them, but it was cheaper than the LMR stuff. And like I said, it's got the Ford logo right there. You can see part number. And yeah, they look pretty good. I love cheese grater taillights. What do you think, Joe? You like them? Eh? Yeah, he likes them. This tape's been on here for like, I guess it's been about a year and a half, 2 years since we got the car painted. So typically you'd want to take this tape off right away. You wouldn't want to leave it on there that long, but it is what it is at this point. Now we just got to try to get it off. You see it's starting to tear right there. There we go. Alright, so I think I got them all done. Got it snapped together. Looks like brand new. Look at that. That look good? Just snap this one together and we're all done. Man, that really finishes off the car. I can't get a good angle on the camera back here, but or lighting for that matter, behind the lift here, but man, those taillights really set this car off. See if I can zoom out a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah. That was a set of factory NOS cheese grater taillights that had never been painted. So didn't have to work to get any other colors off of it. The lenses are really nice, and still has the Ford logo on it. And then I repainted these, as you guys saw, and there it is, looking good. So now go ahead and put the passenger side on real quick. Alright, guess I'm gonna do it one-handed because I don't have anything to hold this camera back here. So I do it one-handed. That one really doesn't want to stay in like the other side did. But I'm sure once we get the retaining nuts and put it on the back, it'll be fine. But that looks good too, huh? Nice tail light, just needs to be bolted in and pushed out of here and cleaned up, but nice factory set of cheese grater tail lights. And I think that's where they're supposed to be, about that far in. Oh, make sure I don't drop something on the car back here. Yeah, about the same on that side. So I'll grab some nuts and tighten them in. All right. Screws right in nicely. So here is a tail light assembly. Now, of course, I'm gonna have to come back and tighten all these once I get a ratchet. But more progress. Just doing something little every day. Try to push this project forward. Get her done. I'm gonna see the boy drive the damn car. All right, I think that's all on this side. 2, 1, 2, and 2. All right, so let's do that side and we're done. So got the rear seal in, got it cut. I think it looks pretty good, looks nice. Had too much slack on it. Got the tail lights in, they're looking good. Got that piece tucked in all the way over there. It's bad lighting, but it's tucked in. I'm just gonna bolt that in the rest of the way, and now I'm gonna put this ground on and then go after the bolts for the spoiler. There's one there, but there's a few missing, and then I gotta put these lights in right here and this rear latch. And so just trying to button up stuff in the back of the car. Easy stuff, you know, just stuff that you gotta do. It needs to be done to get the car finished. There we go. Maybe I should sand that. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Well, I guess I don't need it. It'll go. It'll ground plenty in the screw hole. If I can get it to go in without going sideways. There we go. With the ratchet, but it's in there. Now I guess I'll do this light or something in the latch. So I guess I can also put that taillights in. Struggling just to put the lights in. Alright, let's see if I can get those in easier. Clifford, that's funny. That's where Aiden got the name for this car. This was found in the car when we were taking it apart. I guess it was the nitrous button. Well, I don't know what it was for. Little light. That's funny. I'll just route these how they're supposed to be so they're not all bound up. And there we go. Tail light wires are in. Boom, 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 boom. Get that out of here. Probably clear all this out. I'm dreading working on this because I just don't know where the parts are at. And tightening down the spoiler. So that's all on the list. And get some glue for this because it's not wanting to stay down right here. All around there, up there, it's all tight, but over here it wants to just keep coming loose, I think, because when I trimmed it, I think it messed up the cord inside of it. What do I know? Alright, I found the latch, got the wire out, found one of the little lenses, which it needs a new bulb because they got paint all over them. And this one kind of cracked over there, but it is the legit Ford one. I can't get it to focus on it, but anyway, I'll go ahead and put this in, put that in, then I'll try to get the key cylinder in, and I'll see if I can get this thing working and mount it up, and yeah. Never put one of these together. Man, does that look good with those cheese grater taillights or what?